Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a correct answer in Google Forms. All right, let's begin. First, open your Google form and navigate to the question where you want to set a correct answer. If you need to create a new question, click the Add Question button and enter your question along with the answer choices. Next, make sure the question type is set to multiple choice or another quiz-compatible format. Once your options have been added, click on Answer Key at the bottom of the question. In the Answer Key section, choose how many points the question is worth. You can assign any value you want depending on how the quiz will be graded. After that, select the correct answer from the list of available options. For example, if the question asks which planet is known as the red planet, you would select Mars as the correct answer. Once you've chosen the correct option, click Done to save your changes. Google Forms will automatically store the answer key and use it when grading responses. So that's basically how you can add a correct answer in Google Forms. That's it for this video. Thanks!